Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through the login process of Red Hat and how you are going to create a RHNID through Red Hat. Just go into this website www.rol.redhat.com. So when you enter this, it is going to take you into a site over here. So here, just scroll down and click into register for a Red Hat account. Here it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. So the first thing it is going to ask is choose a Red Hat login. So this will be your login ID through which you are going to log into all your Red Hat accounts, and all your accounts are going to be linked to this ID and it is going to be unique. So I am going to create a ID called Oxtrack. Oxtrack hyphen learning. So this is the ID that I'm going to create, and all my learnings will all be linked only to that particular ID. So I am going to choose a password. And it has to be at least 14 characters long. So after entering the password, you are supposed to enter your name, your email address, your phone number, going to ask you a department. So in case you are just a student, you can just type in student. It is going to ask for and this is for the personal use that I am going to create. So I am just typing in personal, and it is going to ask some information. It is going to ask for the country origin, just give in the country of origin. So it's going to ask address, so you can just fill in the address. and then you can just go on to and then you can just click on create my account. Once you have created your account, it is going to create this and it is going to ask for it's going to send you a verification mail to your official mail ID to which you have registered. So you can just click on submit for the so they have an email link has been sent to my official ID. So I'll just go here and just refresh my login page. Open my account and just click on to verify the mail link. Yes. So finally, I have my account that got created, and you can see my profile. The profile for Hopstack is being displayed over here. So this is how you're going to create your RHLS account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.